am I out of gas? That's unfortunate. Starting to tie my shoe because it was getting stuck on the chain sprockets, and then my bike fell. Whoops. Get red light. And the reason the bike idles really high when I stop at stoplights is not because there's an air leak. It's simply because this carburetor is meant for much smaller engines and with no upgrades, and I have a much larger engine with lots of upgrades, and it can't provide enough gasoline to create the right mixture between gas and air. So it's running super duper lean. I increased the main jet size so that I can go around and without problems or without it blowing up. It's still a little lean, but I can't, there's no way for me to adjust the size of the pilot jet, which is the one that provides gas when it's idling. So the idle is really lean, which means it runs higher at a higher RPM. Unfortunately, there's no actual pilot jet in the carburetor. It's actually just a hole, and I don't have the means, I have really small drill bits, but they just break. Like, I don't know how to use them right. So what I need is a new carburetor, and I'm having my friend Steve make me an adapter right here. I'll get rid of this reed set, and I'll get a bigger reed, and then this carb needs to go. It sucks, right? So I'll get an actual dirt bike carburetor. Probably have a tube coming off the reeds over to here, and then the carb will be clamped to the tube over here, because it's going to be too big to fit right here, so I gotta kind of extend it somewhere else. But it should run pretty freaking smooth after that, so I'm excited. Uh-oh. Yeah, the gears are definitely feeling kind of weird. Not sure what's up with that. That's not good. Well, fellas, I think until I get my special European chain tensioner, there's not much else I can do to keep the chain on, because it's a forward-facing horizontal dropout on the axle, so whenever I give it gas, it pulls the axle off the freaking, off the dropouts. Like, it pulls it forward from torque. So I have in the mail a spanner, like a spanner type adjuster, chain tension adjuster, so just waiting on that. But it said shipping was 48 days. So I have no idea when that's coming in, but hopefully soon. It's already been like 25 days. So anyways, I guess that's it.